Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, finally I'm back from vacation. And what happened to gold? Gold made a high of 2305. That was unexpected. In fact, before going to vacation, we discussed about possibility of gold going towards 230, 2300, But okay, by the end of the year, okay, not by April or March. Anyways, market is full of surprises. Right now, gold is standing at 2274. So let's look at the trading opportunities. But today is a very important day. Why? Because today is NFP day, first Friday of the April month. If we look at the economic calendar, we can see a long list of events. First of all, we have news coming up on euro retail sales. So please be careful with your euro positions. If you have any open positions on euro, then you can see at the same time of NFP, we also have news coming up on cat pairs. So if you love to trade on cat pairs, be careful because USD pairs as well as cat pairs will be volatile during the US session. And finally, NFP. You need to focus mostly on non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate, these two. So the previous number was 3.9, expected is 3.9. If market meets the expectations, then it's well and good. And if market fails, for example, if you see unemployment rate around 4.0, 4.1, then it will bring chaos to the market. Okay, you may see gold going up again. Similarly, you can see the previous number was 275k. Okay, this time the expectation is around 200k. So let's wait and watch whether market meets the expectation or not. So if you're planning to trade at a time of news, please be careful. News trading is the hardest form of trading. We feel that we just need to follow the news and we can make money. But my dear friends, this is not possible. If news trading would have been so easy, okay, then okay, we all have been making money. There was no unemployment in the world. Okay, but news trading is really difficult because you have seen that market doesn't react according to the news always. Most of the time, market give us surprises, shocks, and that's why news trading is a hub of, you can say, market manipulation. Okay, we love to trade at a time of volatility. For example, the consensus or the forecast is around 200k. If the number comes around 210, 190k, then there's a high chance that we may get to see a sideways market, choppy market. But if we see a big difference between the expected number and the real number, okay, for example, 200k is the expected number, and if the data comes around 250k, 150k, then you may expect to see a trending market. But if the number comes around expected numbers, there's a high chance that market will be digesting the news and we will get to see a sideways market. Okay, so be careful, do not gamble. We are traders, not gamblers, do not forget it. Okay, so let's look at the chart of gold. And so gold made a high of 2305. This is the uh, top. Okay. And if you look at the market or chart of gold here, my dear friends, we can clearly see that gold is standing at the top. So if you have been trading for a couple of months, couple of years, then you must be knowing that taking a buy in this position is very risky because we did not see any proper retracement, and millions of traders around the world are waiting for retracement right now, and obviously at one point a retracement will have to come, and market is expecting a retracement tonight. I don't know whether market will show a retracement today or not, but by next week or after 2 or 3 weeks at least there should be a retracement. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold steady, may face correction risk. Dollar steady ahead of jobs data, yen hits 2 week high. Safe haven currencies strengthen as geopolitical tensions rise. Geopolitical tensions are the main reason why gold was shooting up. If any news comes out before NFP, then there's a high chance that you will see gold going up again. So following the trend of the market is the most important thing right now. And if any news doesn't interfere, okay, then you can expect that we will get to see a sideways market, or we will get to see a silent market, okay, before NFP. Probably you must be knowing that before a major event like NFP, market prefers to remain silent. Okay, so let's talk about levels now. Okay, so first of all, my dear friends, We on the daily chart, okay, on the daily chart we can see market standing in the top, but here we can also see a divergence. Okay, we can also see a divergence. So sometimes charts speak before the news. So if we consider this chart here, then there's a high chance that we may get to see a correction very soon because of this divergence. Okay, now let's go back to our beloved 4 hours and 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is our most dear time frame, but let's look at the 4 hours time frame as well. So on the 4 hours time frame, my dear friends, we can see that 2190, okay, 2190 is the best level where we can look for a buy position. Why 2190 is the best level? Because on 4 hours time frame, my dear friends, if we draw Fibo, then you can see we have Fibo 0.236 at 2190 level, and along with that the previous resistance will be working as support. So if market drops, then 2190 is the best level where we can look for a buy position. But the problem is that 2190 is far away from the current market price, so we need to focus on the immediate levels here. Okay, so where we have the immediate level, you can see the next immediate level is around 2230. Okay, why 2230? You can see around 2230 we have the 50 moving average, we have the previous level from where market bounced, as well as we have the Fibo 23.6% retracement level. So before news, okay, listen to me carefully, before news only, because see, this is not a very strong level that will hold the market at the time of news. For example, okay, gold starts falling after news, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market, because when fundamentals dominate, technicals usually fail. So if you see that because of news there is a fall on gold, follow the trend of the market. But before NFP, especially during the European session, if you see gold going down, then you can look for a buy around 2230, because before the fundamental news, okay, still the market is still in uptrend for us. 2230 is the first level where you can look for a buy. 2190 seems to be the best level, but it is far away. And before 2230 we have another level around 2245. Okay, 2245 to 2250. You can see I have drawn a black line here. This is another level where we can look for a buy as well before the news. 2245 to 2250. So on the chart of gold we have three support levels where we can, okay, three support levels. The first one is 2190, very far away but good level. Then we have 2230, it is good level but also little far. Okay, so at this moment you can keep your eyes on 2245, 2250. Not a very strong level that will hold the market at the time of news, but as a day trader, okay, before a major event like NFP where the market is silent, okay, you can definitely expect a bounce of 40 pips around 2245 to 2250. If market takes support, you can definitely hit the buy button. And you can see that on the chart of gold I have also drawn a line around 2265 here. So 2265 is the support here. Okay, so but do not take a buy at 2265 as of now. Okay, and if you are a day trader, okay, if you love to take risks, if you're a scalper, okay, then you can look for a quick sell around 2265. But to double selling at 2265 is high risk. Personally, I will not trade. I'm just mentioning this level because there are many of you, okay, who love to be on trade all the time, which is not a very not a good thing at all. But still, okay, this is a trading opportunity. Okay, so you must be aware of it. So before NFP, the trend of the market is still towards the upside. No technical sign, no technical indication of trend reversal yet. So respecting the trend of the market, buying at retracement is the best trading strategy. If the trend of the market changes after NFP, that's a different chapter. But at this moment, while recording this video during the Asian session, the trend of the market is still very much towards the upside bullish. So it is better to go for buy at retracement only. And these are the retracement levels that I have mentioned, and you can look for a sell below 2265, but very risky. Okay, if you're a beginner, try to avoid. Personally, I will not trade. And sometimes market doesn't come for retracement. In that case, okay, we can't help it. After news, before news, doesn't matter. If market doesn't come for retracement at all, okay, then you can look for a buy above 2305 as well. If you see the market is bullish, market is very adamant, not coming for retracement, then obviously we can't help it. We are we are retail traders, okay. We cannot move the chart according to our own wish. So if market starts going up, then obviously you can look for a buy at breakout as well. But as we have discussed at the starting of the video, a retracement is due, a correction is due. So do not go for a huge risk, okay. Try to go for calculated risk and do your proper risk management. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Be careful, and if you have any ongoing position on gold, especially if you have any ongoing buy position on gold, you can be on the trade. No need to exit because the market is bullish and further upside is very much possible. If a correction comes also, okay, in the coming days, because of the geopolitical tension mostly, we can expect the market to be bullish again. So if you have any buy position, you can be on the trade. And if you are holding a sell position, then you need to be very careful, because if a correction doesn't come after NFP, then obviously market will be bullish again, and there's a high chance that you may lose your capital. So let's wait for the news. If you're holding a sell, if you see the market is coming for retracement, okay, you'll get some relief. But if market doesn't come for retracement after NFP, you'll have to exit by next week, okay, otherwise you will be losing your whole capital. So again, I'm repeating, okay, if you have any ongoing buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit. If you have a sell, or if you have many sell positions, because already I have received many screenshots where people have shared their sell position. If you have any ongoing sell positions, then wait for the news. If market shows retracement, well and good. If market doesn't show retracement, you need to exit by next week. And if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, then obviously respecting the overall trend of the market here, buy at retracement is the best trading strategy before NFP. 2250, 2245 is the next immediate level where we can look for a buy. Then we have 2230. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy before news. The best level is around 2190, 2200. But the problem is that that level is far away, so chances of market coming down to 2200, 2190 are very less. And sometimes market doesn't come for retracement. For example, the chart of gold, okay, was very bullish. So sometimes market doesn't come for retracement. In that case, buy and breakout is the only strategy, like buying above 2305. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much for all the love. Okay, I really feel like a dream that people from all around the world love me so much. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making my life so special. Thank you.